And boy, do they want to send this arena home with a great performance. This crowd fired up to start. Out to Lowry. Of course, Toronto won the two games. Games 3 and 4 here at Oracle to silence this crowd as Lowry scores the first bucket. Coming off one of the all-time clutch finals games in NBA history with that scintillating last 2.5 minutes to keep their season alive. Kyle Lowry, what a start. Toronto's actually 3-0 this year in this building. The one time they played in the regular season, they won again. Lowry, again! Minority owner in that altercation, but he was fabulous that night in this building. Looney gets inside. Home team in these finals are an incredible 1-4. The last 4 road teams have won in the series. Lowry! Looney with 8 to shoot, gets into the paint, goes right at Siakam, gets his own rebound. Back out Iguodala. Iguodala drives down, whistle, count it, and one. Steve Kerr, so one of the reasons he started Looney, he's their best center right now, and a good start tonight was imperative. As Siakam, Kawhi Leonard double team. Siakam calling for it, no hesitation. He's 2 for 2 from downtown. Now taken by Iguodala. Iguodala goes to the rim, missed it, tipped by Thompson is good. Should he have played in that game the other night?
Well, I don't know any of the medical stuff, and I wasn't obviously as Siakam gets a dunk. If he hadn't played, he wouldn't have shown that heart, gritness, and toughness that he's shown throughout his career.
And Golden State win another title without Kevin Durant here in the finals. Leonard gets inside, goes reverse back. The kids always help out. Klay Thompson, pull up two-pointer, that's good. Thompson pulls back, three-pointer, puts it in. Van Fleet answers back.
In the Raptors out of high pick and roll, exposing DeMarcus Cousins. It allows him to stay on the court.
Cousins count it, and the foul. Norman Powell on the floor for Toronto. Leonard finds Lowry. Lowry's been hot. That continues. Kyle Lowry. First quarter for Lowry, 15 points.
Coach talked about getting the basketball in the middle of the floor. That time it was Leonard.
Curry with the three.
Curry just ended the drought. That was the longest he's gone in his playoff career without knocking down a field goal.
Ibaka inside. Curry shot blocked by Kawhi Leonard. Leonard to the foul line. Line drive.
Him a little bit, made a couple mistakes, but not bad overall.
Making it.
Yep.
Tight.
All right, Doris Ibaka blocked from behind by Cousins. Lowry's foul won't go.
Pushing the basketball and forcing them to defend.
Livingston out there as well. Looney gets a pass inside. And a nice adjustment from Livingston for his first bucket. Norman Powell drives left-handed. Oh, blocked by Thompson. Ibaka goes at Looney. Little jump hook is good. Ibaka kicks it out. Siakam's wide open. Siakam drives on Cook. Finds Ibaka, but right through his hands. Powell, Lowry, Van Fleet, three-pointer. Got it. Curry to Looney. For Golden State, 17 of their 32. Draymond Green to Looney. Curry using a Looney screen. Scoots past Gasol. Flips it up and in. So clever. Thompson floats it in. Green floats it up. Iguodala throws it down.
The Warriors extremely small. Draymond Green at the 5, surrounded by perimeter guys and making plays.
Green and Iguodala connect once again.
Chemistry. Green, a terrific decision maker off the dribble.
Leonard steps back and drills a two-pointer.
And think about it, didn't play in the last game, but in for rebounding.
Siakam, nice penetration. And Serge Ibaka the flush. Curry rifles a pass to Draymond Green for the bucket. Curry's only taken 5 shots here in the first half. Lowry to Ibaka, and Serge Ibaka. Big boost off the bench for Toronto. Curry nearly dribbled it off a foot. Gets the pass. Iguodala open for three. It's good. Lowry floats it. Curry dances inside, flips it up. Fight for the rebound, Lowry. Siakam to Leonard. Leonard and 18 points for Klay Thompson. Lowry to the basket, banks it home. Van Vliet had a good first half, gets a good look there and drills it. 8 points for Van Vliet. Court for Toronto. They're only 6 feet, Lowry and Van Vliet. Thompson drills it. 20 points, Klay Thompson. This young star from Cameroon has 15 points. Curry long distance. That goes. Steph Curry, his second three-pointer. Deflected, but Curry comes up with it. Thompson off the dribble to the rack. Layup is good. Game is tied. Van Vliet inside. Siakam, quick release. Gasol the rebound out to Leonard. Leonard, good look. He hits a three. First three-pointer of the game for Kawhi Leonard.
And Cousins. Looney's struggling to finish around the rim. Cousins is finishing well.
Leonard finishes and gets hit. And a chance for a three-point play. Curry leans in. Gets an open look and hits a three.
And defensively, show your hands and make them make shots over the top.
Siakam, tough play, and he banks it home from straight on. Green was all over him. Curry on the bench for probably a while with the 4 fouls. Danny Green is back in. Steph Curry. Iguodala left open. Iguodala. Van Vliet to Green. Danny Green to Siakam. 4 to shoot. Siakam gets away from a double team. What a nice move. Thompson, long three. It's good. Tie game again. Curry steps back, two-pointer, floats it up and in. Steph Curry with 17. Serge Ibaka. Inside pass, Leonard. Leonard counted on a foul. Side to Thompson. 5 to shoot. Thompson for 3. Bang! Cook finds Cousins. He finds Iguodala. Shot clock 1. He has to put it up. Oh! Rebound Leonard. Lowry ahead of the pack, goes up and lays it in. Great feed ahead from Kawhi Leonard, and it's back to a 2-point game. Green, pass stolen by Lowry. Lowry back to Ibaka. Could return to the game. Cook gets into the paint. Layup is good. Shot clock at 5. Van Vliet using a screen, three-pointer. Oh, Van Vliet.
And they're not coming out of this box in 1.
Livingston on the pull-up. Got it to go. Livingston's second field goal. Lowry sees the double team. Gasol fakes out to Van Vliet. If he would have kept dribbling, he would have had a layup. Van Vliet. Bang! Livingston one-handed. Oh, it gets the bounce. Oh, if that was the case, that may have been above the cylinder. Lowry stolen by Looney. Leonard in pursuit. And Livingston throws it down. Gasol to Lowry. Fakes, drives. Pass inside to Siakam. Beautiful feed from Lowry, his 9th assist.
They have no business in this game. Short-handed and every excuse to quit, but they refuse.
Curry gets inside, flips up a two-pointer.
Looney is really struggling to rebound the ball in traffic.
Iguodala jump shot. That's good. He's got 22.
And they subbed Ibaka in for him.
Van Vliet gets a wide open look. Puts it in. Fred Van Vliet to shoot. Van Vliet pulls back. Puts it up. In and out. Ibaka the rebound. Back up and in. 5-point lead. 4 to shoot. Lowry between the legs. Drives inside. Falling away. Puts it up. Bounces and drops through. Another bounce for the Toronto Raptors. Cousins fakes, spins, kicks it out Iguodala. Draymond Green's going to try again. This time he delivers. Still plenty of time on the shot clock. Cousins on the drive across the lane. Layup is good. 1-point game. No fouls to give. Siakam drives, gets past Green, throws it up and in. Pascal Siakam makes it a 3-point game. Here comes the double team. Leonard still in the backcourt, throws it ahead to Green. Green surrounded by Draymond Green and throws it away! Throws it away! Warriors ball with 9.6 An NBA championship on the line. Iguodala throws it to Green, who catches it. Back to Curry, puts up a three. Won't go. Rebound Cousins deflected. Picked up by Leonard. Ball still loose. They dive on it and try and call time. And a timeout called.
So it's a technical foul.
Throws it into Leonard. That's it. It's over. The Raptors win. There's a new NBA. Oh, they call a foul.